Lal Hare Tamatar. Its primary objective is to celebrate the visual appeal of anything that is in red. Teachers will enrich the learning experience by providing comprehensive information.
Books which is related to it. So when I talk about teaching, is not confined to a single textbook. These textbooks are just a reference book.
One more time. Hold up index finger as if it is a lit candle and imagine puffing it out saying, the song for it is